Good day, sir. I am Thaddeus Villarta, and I'm here to discuss about the basic concept of crystal structure. Here are the basic concept of crystal structure. First is the 7 lattice concept. Second is periodic array of atom. The third is the solid, and lastly is the molecular solid. Here are the 7 lattice concept. First, isometric. All 3 axes are equal in length and all are perpendicular to one another. Second is the tetragonal. 2 of the axes are equal in length and all 3 axes are perpendicular to one another. The third is orthomorphic. All 3 axes are unequal in length and all are perpendicular to one another. And the fourth is the hexagonal. Of 4 axes, 3 are of equal length, are separated by equal angles, and lie in the same plane. The fourth axis is perpendicular to the plane of the other 3 axes. Hexagonal cells have lattice point in each one of the 2 6-edged faces. The fourth is the triclinic. All 3 axes are unequal in length and none is perpendicular to one another. And the sixth is the monoclinic. All 3 axes are unequal in length and all 2 axes are perpendicular to each other. And lastly, the rhombohedral. All 3 axes are of equal length and none of the axis is perpendicular to another, but the crystal faces all have the same size and shape. Second is the periodic array of atoms. All crystals are polyhedra consisting of regularly repeating arrays of atoms, molecules or ion, which are the structural unit. A crystal is a homogeneous portion of solid substance made of a regular pattern of structural units bonded by plane surfaces, making definite angles with each another. And the third is the solid. Here, as you can see, the image of the solid. So crystal solids or crystal have distinctive internal structure that in turn lead to distinctive flat surfaces or faces. The faces intersect at angles that are characteristic of the substance. When exposed to X-rays, each structure also produces a distinctive pattern that can be used to identify the materials. And lastly, the molecular solid. And here are some examples of image. Crystal solids are the 3-dimensional collection of individuals, atom, ion, or whole molecule organized in repeating patterns. These atoms, ions, or molecules are called lattice point and typically visualized as round spheres. And that's all for today. Thank you.